I have here the SWIFT-ONE Sky Challenger from our friends at Banggood.com. You might have seen our previous video where young Finn gave us a demonstration of this, quite a capable demonstration, but I liked it so much, I'm going to have a go. I'm the boss, I'm having a go. This comes ready to fly out of the box. No, it doesn't. I'm lying, and I'm not going to lie on camera. What we were told, this does take a little bit of assembly. It doesn't come with the glue, does it, Finn?
It doesn't come with glue or AA batteries for the remote.
Right, it doesn't come with those two things. So you do need to assemble it. It doesn't take too long. But as you do with a lot of these ready-to-fly type things, you do on the transmitter get different modes. This has got, thank you, 3D mode, which effectively turns the gyro off so you can do what you want. You've got 6G mode, which is kind of stabilised mode, doesn't let you go to inverted, which is useful for beginners. And then you actually got a vertical mode. It'll hold it in a hover like that and make you look like a pro 3D pilot like Finn.
We want to see nice and low.
Nice and low,
Yep.
tail touch the ground type.
That's it.
Hover and amaze your friends with that type of trick. So yeah, the link for this will be in the video description and pinned comment. I'm saying that now because I'm highly likely to break it. Alright, so we're just going to wait for a clear moment and then we're ready. Let's chuck it in the sky and see how it goes. So I've got it in the middle position, so it's in stabilised mode. You can see the gyro working to try and keep it level. Okay, hand launch. Thank you. Launch into wind. You're landing, yeah? Okay. Right, you want to come forward, Trevor?
Yeah.
Right, so I'm in the stabilised mode at the moment. If I flick the button, then that is taking me out of that mode and I've got full control now. It's a lot more sensitive in that mode. Take me a moment to get used to it.
Don't forget there's a dual rate switch on the top which might make it a bit more sedate.
You think so?
Possibly.
On the left, but there's a button.
No.
Oh.
I was already in low rate mode, which I'm liking enough as it is.
Bit of knife edge.
Trying. So like all planes, it takes a little bit of getting used to. Woo! All right, so pushing away from me should give me that hover mode. Let's, which it does. Let's do that in a mode. So let me bring it back.
It looks like when you flick the switch it just snaps it straight into vertical. Right. Looking good. Looking lower than when Finn was doing it. You see Finn, that's how it's done.
Woo!
Plane strikes back.
Back into stabilised mode.
torque rules.
Trying to work out the directional control you have with it while it's in this mode.
Landing.
So the great thing about this as well, huge amount of fun, but it's made from EPO foam, so very unlikely to break it. So it went in nose first there. Tell you what you should do, try and launch it in vertical mode. Let's see how that works. You ready, Trev?
Yeah, you're going to have to catch it in vertical mode as well, though.
God. Try. Here we go, ready?
Oh, there you go.
Little bit of wind, hold on. Come on. See, the wind is taking it. Oh.
You need to put some wheels on the top of it, Dom.
Try once more. So I guess that's the only thing with it. It is very light.
Do you know, so it'd be interesting to actually see what that would be like to fly indoors.
Yeah, I was saying on the previous video, I reckon it could be.
But we do need to put some wheels on the top.
I flicked the switch the wrong way. I want to try and catch it. Hold on. Well, I'm proving that it's very durable. Using rudder is really an important thing with this as well.
These are the sort of things people need to see. Hey, well done, you got it.
Brilliant. So it certainly takes a little bit of getting used to fly. Even in that the 3D mode, Finn, come and stand with me here, is really sensitive, isn't it? So it's actually enough fun to fly in 6G mode, and then that vertical mode just makes you look awesome at doing, well, not me maybe, but it made you look really good at doing prop hangs. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. I think it's we've proven that it's very crash proof. Well, I have, you didn't on your video. But the link for this is in the video description and pinned comment. So thanks again for watching Essential RC. We'll be back soon for another one. Cheers, bye.
Adios.
You was going to say that.